I got cab high Lear fiberglass tops, the 100XR. If it's the 07 to 13 Chevy Silverado 5.8 bed. This is a factory second, so there's really not much wrong with this one at all. It's got sliding windows in the side. This is still basically sent to us the way we got it from Lear. There's nothing really wrong with this. The color is cashmere. It's got sliding windows in the side. They're a half slider. As you can see, there's no damage on this side here at all. This one is got a picture window in the front. There's no damage on that at all either. It's more of like a gold pewter. They call it cashmere, but no damage on here either on the top. There's sliding windows in the side here, half slider on this side as well. Really, I mean, there's no damage on this at all. This thing's pretty much perfect. It's about as close to new as you're gonna get without a new price. No damage on the bottom at all. Nice and clean bottom edge. Like I said, it's never left the shipping rails from when we got it from Lear. Double T-handle locking rear door. The 100R 5.8 GSOCC, which is the 5.8 Silverado 07 to 13 body style. 15 is the color code, cashmere, 15 cashmere. Inside's clean, there's no leaks because, like I said, it's pretty much new. Looks like new inside, and it's really nothing. So it's got dome light, it's got the newer style LED dome light. So there it is, cab high fiberglass, 07 to 13 Chevy, cab high 5.8 bed, code number 15 cashmere. It's like a gold pewter type color.